So, in order now to perform the cylindrical grasp, as I said previously, I should place all of my fingers close and tight. So, by doing this gesture, we will see that the MIA hand is closing as well. Then, in order to open it, I should just relax the hand back in order to open the MIA hand as well. So this was the cylindrical or full grasp. Now, to do the pinch or precision grasp, so which is to grasp something with 2 fingers, I'll just have to flex the index finger. So by doing this gesture, we can say that the MIA hand did the pinch or precision grasp. Used to grasp like pencils, pens, coins, etc. And lastly, we will perform our last grasp, which is the lateral grasp. A grasp used to grasp cards, wallets, and things that usually need the index finger on top of the object. So in order to perform the lateral grasp, I'll just have to flex my 2 fingers. And like this, we performed the lateral grasp as well. So now, the last 2 options that we have, it is to rotate the MIA hand, first and foremost to the right side, then to the left side, and then of course back to the center. So these were the functionalities of MIA hand, used and controlled from the EMG device, the MINDROVE. So we'll see how the MIA hand can actually grasp some objects that needs the cylindrical grasp, starting with a bottle. So as we see, here we have a plastic bottle. So for me, in order to grasp the bottle, I'll just have to rotate MIA hand to the right side with this gesture, then place it near the bottle, and perform the full or cylindrical grasp by having tight my fingers. As we can see, the bottle, it is grasped. And now I can just leave it free again. And this was the first test of the cylindrical grasp. Now we'll be testing some other objects like an aluminium can, which basically will follow the same procedure. So let's place it again to the center, turn it to the right side, place it near the object, and then grasp it. As we can see, the aluminium can was grasped as well successfully. Now in order to leave it free, we'll just have to relax our hand. And now, for the next test, we have a plastic cup. A plastic cup, which is in a bit different shape. So, again, we'll use the same procedure. We'll have to rotate the wrist to the center, to its default state, open the hand, and now rotate it to the right side. Or let's try it even to the left side, just for fun. So, if I have it like this way, I will just have to place it near the cup and then perform the full grasp. As we can see, it is grasped as well successfully. So, we'll have to leave it free. But the only difference it is that it used its upper finger, so the thumb and the index, because it is not correct to use those fingers. So we'll always use the right side of the hand in order to grasp our objects properly. So let's do it now, as it should be, which is to the right side, and then to grasp the object. And of course, yes, with its right side, it is completely successful. It was grasped 100%. Now we'll just leave it free. and we will move on to the last object, which is a plastic ball. So, what we have to do, it is to rotate the hand again to the right side, place it near the object, and now just perform the cylindrical grasp. As we can see, the ball was grasped successfully. Now we'll just leave it free. And this was the test about the cylindrical grasp objects. So the objects that requires a full grasp in order to be taken successfully. And now we'll move on to our next grasp, which is the pinch or precision grasp, the one that uses the index finger and the thumb. So we'll try to experiment with 3 objects: a pen, a carton cup, and a toy. So regarding the pen, as we have it here, what I have to do is to have MIA hand at the center, and then to perform the pinch grasp by having the one finger up. As we can see, MIA hand was successfully and the pen was grasped. And then we'll just have to do it free again on the table. So, our next object will be a carton cup. We'll just have to open the hand again and then perform the pinch or precision grasp. As we can see, the cup was grasped successfully. So here we can drink some coffee together. And then just have to place it back on the table. And the last object will be this toy, this Playmobil or Lego toy. I used to play with them as well when I was a child. So now I have to play again at my 25 years old. So we just have to open again the arm and then try the pinch grasp. So here we can see that it's actually being grasped, and we can play with it a bit, just to slide it like we used to do some decades ago, and then just leave it free. So these were the tests for the pinch grasp. Lastly, the last experiment will be about the lateral grasp, where we'll be using some cards and a wallet in order to see how it can be used for this type of objects, MIA hand. So I'll just have to rotate it to the right side, place it near the card, and perform the grasp by flexing my 2 fingers. As we can see, the card was grasped successfully. And now let's leave it free again. As we can see, the cards were grasped successfully by the MIA hand. And now let's leave them free. So let's rotate MIA hand to the right side and perform the grasp by using the 2 fingers. As we can see, the wallet was successfully being grasped, and we can see that from this side as well it is tight. We'll just have to leave it free. So these were the tests for the MIA hand regarding its 3 grasps: the full grasp or cylindrical, the pinch or precision, and finally the lateral grasps. In this video we'll see when 2 robotic hands handshake with each other for purposes of fun, just to see how it is. So we have here the other robotic hand. So first let's flex and turn the MIA hand, and here we have the other robotic hand. So we can see that the 2 hands are handshaking for the future. and then we'll just leave it here. So this was something futuristic when the two robotic arms just meet with each other.